In this brief demonstration, we will show you how to use the Filter Facilities feature that appears with the mapped facility results from an ECHO search. You'll learn how to access and use this feature, and we'll walk you through an example. The Filter Facilities feature on the search results page allows you to explore and refine your search results on the interactive map by further selecting facility, enforcement and compliance, and demographic characteristics. The Filter Facilities feature will be available on the results page when the interactive map is present, regardless of whether you start from ECHO's homepage quick search, a facility search form, or a national map view. For this demonstration, we will run a quick search on a city and state. By default, the quick search takes us to the All Data Facility Search Results page. Running an All Data search will search for certain facilities regulated under the Clean Air Act, Clean Water Act, Safe Drinking Water Act, or Resource Conservation and Recovery Act. These are the four main statutes for which ECHO has data. The current search found over 800 facilities. When more than 500 facilities are returned, the map displays clusters of facilities. The number within each green circle indicates the number of facilities around that location. Refer to the map legend for descriptions of the symbols used on the map. Now, let's look at the Filter Facilities tab. Notice that the Filter Facilities feature is not available when more than 500 facilities are displayed on the map. To use this feature, we need to reduce our search results. A simple way to do this is to zoom in toward a location on the map. Moving or zooming in or out of the map automatically updates the search results to include only facilities that are visible on the map, so zooming in will reduce our search results. When we zoom in on an area with fewer than 500 facilities, the map will display pins to indicate individual facilities. Now that we have fewer than 500 facilities on the map, we can use the functionality in Filter Facilities. This panel lets you filter the map results based on facility, enforcement and compliance, and demographic characteristics. Next to each checkbox is the number of facilities on the map that fit that criterion. For example, we can see that selecting Has RCRA ID from the Facility Characteristics section would filter our results down to even fewer facilities. The counts are updated as additional filters are selected. For this example, suppose that we are interested in viewing hazardous waste facilities. Certain facilities that generate, transport, treat, store, or dispose of hazardous waste will have a Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, or RCRA ID. Let's apply filters for facilities that have a RCRA ID, and that have one or more violations in the last 3 years. Notice that the counts next to the other criteria have decreased based on our selections. Both the map and the table automatically update to show only the matching search results. Right now, the table and map are showing only facilities that have a RCRA ID and violations under any statute in the last 3 years. Other facilities are hidden. If you want to display all the original facility results on the map and the table while still applying your filter selections, deselect Only Show Matches. This allows you to see the facilities from your original results that do not meet the criteria currently selected in Filter Facilities. These facilities are highlighted in gray. Reselecting Only Show Matches will update the map to display only the filtered results. If you want to completely start over with your filter selections, remove them by clicking on Clear All. The map now shows all facilities in the map extent that match our original search on Fort Wayne, Indiana. As we demonstrated, only the facilities visible on the map are shown in the results. If you have found the set of facilities of interest to you and want to move the map around without changing the results based on the extent of the map, you can turn off these dynamic updates by deselecting Sync Map and Table. This lets you zoom in, zoom out, or pan the map without updating the filtered results. If you see a specific facility that you want to know more about, you can click on the facility icon on the map to load the facility summary. The facility summary shows you a quick summary of the facility's compliance status. You can also get to this summary by clicking on a row in the table. If you want more information about a particular facility, you can go to the Detailed Facility Report by selecting More Facility Details, the hyperlinked name of the facility in the table, or the red C icon. The Detailed Facility Report provides detailed information about the facility's enforcement and compliance history. If you want more information about how to use the search results page and what the different data fields represent, we recommend reading the results guide, indicated with a book icon. During this demonstration, we reviewed the Map and Filter Facilities feature available on the ECHO Facility Search Results page. We encourage you to start using the feature to enhance your analyses when using ECHO. And remember, you can always find support on how to use the facility search or other ECHO features by reviewing ECHO's help content. Click the help link to access the help content.